Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Josh with American AF Dumpster Rentals. If you've heard about the beneficial ownership report and are wondering whether it's something you need to file and why, you've come to the right place. In this video today, I'm going to be walking you through what the BOI report is, why it's important, some of the common objections to filing, and most importantly, how to file it on the official FinCEN website, which I have up here for you on the screen. First and foremost, what exactly is the BOI report and why is it important to us? Well, it's actually not, but it's important to our government. So, the BOI report is part of the Corporate Transparency Act, which was passed to help combat money laundering and other illicit activities. It requires certain business entities in the U.S. to disclose information about their beneficial owners, the individuals basically who control and run a company. If you're a small business owner, you're likely required to file their support. It is a way for our government to ensure that the people who own or control companies are known and traceable. You'll need to report who owns or controls your company, including their names, addresses, dates of birth, and any unique identifying numbers, a passport, driver's license, or other government ID. This is going to be required for most small businesses unless you have some sort of exemption. This includes LLCs, corporations, but not for the larger corporations or entities. Those are already heavily regulated, such as banks or businesses with 20 or more employees and over $5 million of revenue. So, most of us watching this channel are definitely going to be are fall under the requirement to fill out this BOI report. Why should you bother? Well, for a few important reasons, right? Number one is going to be to avoid penalties. Unfortunately, if you don't file the report or if the information you submit is incomplete or inaccurate, you could face significant penalties as far as what the ruling is now, up to $500 per day for failing to file or updating the report correctly, and up to $10,000 for willfully providing false information. Mind you, this is for all your LLCs. If you have multiple companies, you need to file it for each individual company that you own. Legal compliance filing ensures your business complies with federal law, which is crucial if you plan to secure any loans, working with investors, or even avoiding potential legal trouble down the road. Reasons why you should file is going to be to protect your business. By filing this report, you're helping to ensure your business is not inadvertently involved in any kind of money laundering or any other illegal activities, and you're staying ahead of potential scrutiny. Common objections to this report. I mean, there's lots of people that are saying that you shouldn't file the report. Number one is it's too much information and too much of a hassle. That's one. I get it, guys. Look, nobody loves paperwork. Nobody loves giving the government more paperwork or more information than what is minimally required. We already feel like we give them enough. However, filing the BOI report is pretty straightforward. I'm going to be honest with you. You just need to gather a few key details about the individuals who own or control your business. And it's not like the government already doesn't have that to begin with, to be honest with you. Once it's filed, you only need to update it if there are any changes. So it's a one-time effort unless something changes on your ownership structure. Objection number two is going to be it's an invasion of privacy. I get it. I mentioned it a second ago. I understand the concern about privacy, especially if you're sharing personal information like your address or government issued ID numbers. Here's the thing, the information isn't publicly available. Once you give them the information, it's stored confidentially with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, and only authorized government agencies like law enforcement can access it if there is legitimate need. This isn't about putting your personal information out there for everyone to see. It's about making sure people can't hide behind anonymous shell corporations. Objection number three is the government is overstepping. Some argue that the government shouldn't require businesses to disclose this information at all. While it is true that some businesses may feel like it's unnecessary, the reality is that these kinds of regulations are designed to prevent financial crimes like money laundering. In today's business climate, transparency is definitely key, and getting compliant now will help you avoid headaches down the road, guys. Now that we've cleared up the basics, let's get to the most important part, which is actually how to file the report. I'm on the fincen.gov/BOI website. You're going to want to head over there and you'll be taken to the official BOI portal. So make sure you've got your business details handy. All right, so you can either file it with a FinCEN ID or not. So basically, you can file it using the BOI e-filing system, or you can create a FinCEN ID. If you have multiple businesses, you're going to want to create the ID. But for this example right here, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through me filing my American AF Dumpsters company, and we're going to do it together right now. So we're going to go ahead and file using the BOI e-filing system. There we go. We're going to file a BOIR report. We're going to go ahead and actually click on help, and we're going to open that in a different window. So I don't want PDF. I want to file online. So we're going to prepare and submit the BOIR. You're entering U.S. government information system, maintained, administered, and operated by the U.S. Department of Treasury. Yada, yada, yada. I agree. All right. We are going to do, so type of filing. We are going to do an initial report. Date filed is today. Automatically filled. Goes over the Privacy Act and Paperwork Reduction Act notice. All right. Part 1, reporting company information. Who is your reporting party? We're going to go ahead and request to receive a FinCEN ID. Legal name, reporting company legal name is going to be American AF Dumpsters LLC. And any DBA. I actually do have a alternate DBA. American AF Trailers. Tax ID number. I'm going to do the EIN number. All right, my company EIN number. Select the country, only if a foreign tax ID only. Let's see, jurisdiction and registration is going to be the United States of America. State of formation is going to be Texas. Address. So your current address. You can put your place of business if you have a business, your yard. If you look at frequently asked questions, it basically says where you. I believe it says where you get where you receive mail. Complete street address, including state zip. Whether it's in the U.S., reporting company has primary business in the U.S. territory, yada yada. Yeah. So you're gonna put either your business address or you're gonna put where you receive mail. So I'll be putting my business address. Oh, what the heck? Can't type today. Let's go over to Texas. Next. Existing check if existing reporting company. Check if existing reporting company as of January 24th. Check this box if the reporting company was created or registered before January 1st, 2024. And we were created in October 2020. So, and the rule is now after January 2024, if you create a new LLC, you're supposed to file this report within, I believe, 30 to 60 days. So this is an existing company. Existing reporting company indicated all company applicant fields will be cleared, disabled. Do you wish to continue? Yes. If you check this box, if you existed before January 1st of 2024, you do not have to fill out any kind of company applicant information, and you're going to move right on over to the beneficial owners tab. So there's no company applicant. So again, it says existing reporting companies. So I'm an existing reporting company. Check this box if the reporting company was created or registered before January 1st, 2024. Do not check this box if the reporting company was created or registered on or after January 1st, 2024. So I'm going to go ahead and check this box, and I'm going to hit next. Now it goes over to beneficial owners. If you're a parent or guardian of a minor child, that's no. We're not going to do that. Exempt entity, no. Legal name and birth, where do I put my information? I'm going to go ahead and blur my personal information out. Oops. There we go. Your residential address. Okay. You're going to need some sort of identifying document, whether it be a passport, driver's license, you're gonna have to upload that. So we're gonna go state issued driver's license. I'm gonna go ahead and blur this rest of the information out. And then this is where we're gonna upload it. All right, so I've uploaded my driver's license. We're gonna go ahead and click next. You've got to agree. And before you certify, please ensure the following fields contain a valid entry. First name is a required field, last name, email, and confirm email is required. So we're going to fill in our information and certify. I am human. Oh, I always fail on these things. Please click the shiny object. I believe it's this one. Please click on the shiny object. That's a load of fun. And we're going to submit. Takes a couple seconds. Submission processing. Don't forget to download your transcript. Filing successful. So that's it. Filing the BOI report is a simple but important step, guys. I just saved you guys, or you just saved yourself, $250 to $500. I've had accountants that have wanted to charge me, $250. I had my attorney send out a mass email to all his clients, and that he would file everybody's for $500. It was as easy as just doing this. It literally took probably under 5 minutes, and it will keep your business transparent. It protects against any financial crimes and saves you from potential penalties. Hope this video helps you guys. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And remember, just because you're doing it doesn't mean you agree with it. At the end of the day, we just have to do, unfortunately, what we have to do in order to stay compliant, in order to stay in business, and in order to create jobs and feed our families. So at the end of the day, if this is what it takes, then so be it. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful at all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one. Good luck.